Your subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix this message. Here you can see it: allow Facebook to track your activity across other companies, apps and websites. Here, in addition to other screens, Facebook can explain why users should allow tracking. So if you choose just ask app not to track, so you will see this message again. So how you can also fix it: if you just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Facebook, and here you need to open location, and here you need to choose always. So after it won't you won't see this message again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.